Hey guys, let me laugh Hacker here. This will be my 10 subscriber special, and thank you family and friends because you're probably my only subscribers. And so we're gonna be doing this challenge that I think we made up. We call it the duct tape challenge. Where my brother, he will duct tape us, and we'll have to try to escape. So yeah. Here we go. Yes! Come on! Yes! I broke out my hands! Come on! I broke out of my mouth. Come on! Come on, get out! Yes! I made it out! Yeah! I made it out! I made it out! Okay, I'm the winner here.
Okay.
Winner here. Second. Winner here.
Woo!
Woo! I'm the winner. I'm the winner.
Second.
That was shorter than I thought.
Yeah, true. I thought this would take like 20 minutes.
Oh, I know why that went so fast.
Why?
Because when Mila broke out, it loosened up for Rohan. Then when Rohan
No, it didn't loosen up.
Well, I'm the clear winner here. So yeah.
Oh, that was fun.
Okay, what does the winner get? Well, that went shorter than I imagined. So Milan, show your face. Show your face.
I'm the winner, as you
She's
can
the
see.
winner. And we wasted this much duct tape, and I don't know how he did it so fast, but
That's just I'm the strongest
I
here.
I lost, and he came in second. And watch this. Never mind. I'm just kidding. All right, bye.
See ya.